Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this is late getting up. It is currently Saturday the 9th and I am just now getting it up because I have worked the past 3 nights crazy. It's been crazy. I've been working overtime and everything, so I have not been able to film it, but since it's not a payday, it won't ruin any of my other videos, so we are just going to upload this on Saturday. Now, this weekly check-in is going to run from the 31st of October, which I'm already going to tell you that I spent money on gas, but that was from the old paycheck, the old money before I stuffed my cash envelopes again on the 1st. So I'm not going to include that, but that's the only thing that I did that day. So we're not going to flip back. So we're going to start on the 1st and it's going to run all the way to the 6th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you have a channel. Let me know if you are new to my channel. Welcome. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out. And for my regular subscribers, thank you for just hanging out with me and getting to know me throughout this whole journey and the last couple of months. So let's just get started. Now on the 1st, I'm going to bring y'all down just a little bit and zoom y'all in. So on the 1st, I did pay my American Eagle and the rent was due also. But we actually had a fun-filled day that day. So I'm going to have to use the 31st block to put in some of my stickers. And as always, I'm using the Simply Cami budgeting sticker. And then the planner is Erin Condren. It is the 8.5 by 11. It is the biggest planner. Absolutely love it. I love big planners. I don't like small planners because I like to write as much as possible in mine. So if y'all are interested in any of those will be linked down below. All right, so on the 1st, I hung out with my mom. So we went to Pace, Florida, which is maybe about an hour or so drive. So we went to Pace, Florida. We went to this antique shop. It's called Alyssa's, and I won an auction item off of that, and I thought it was a good opportunity for Mama to come because that store is like freaking huge, you guys. It is really huge. So for first off, we did the sinking fun. So at Alyssa's, I spent $72, and that is because, oop, I did extra. Why did I do extra? I'm going to say Christmas, $72. So that included a gift that I got for Jared for Christmas. Now, I'm not going to mention what it is because he might watch this video, he might not, or somebody that he knows might watch it and then be like, oh, dude, Shirley got you this. That's so cool. So I'm not going to mention that, but I spent $72, so it was $25 for his gift that I won because it was on an auction. And then me and my mom go Black Friday shopping, as you know, so they were selling Black Friday t-shirts and it looked really, really cool. So that was $30. So we end up spending $72. Plus I had some other stuff that I bought for other people. And that's how it ended up with $32. Now, next for cushion, me and my mom went to Taco Bell. So that was $8. That's for like lunch, so that was just $8. We just wanted something to snack on. And then I bought a dress that I'm going to wear to a wedding the weekend before Thanksgiving, and that was on Amazon, so that was $28. So I'm just going to add that. So that was $36 that we spent. I'm going to say lunch, and then I will write dress. So that ended up being $36. Which isn't bad. Alright, and then I needed some gas because I was running low on gas. So gas was $20. Running out of space, so I'm going to move over here. Alright, and then we went to the fair. So the fair was super fun. I hung out with my best friend and my other really good guy friend. And then my one of my friends invited one of her friends. So it was just a group of us, and we just had so much fun. Hadn't been in a fair in like 2 years, and we used to go every single year. It was like our tradition. But last year we were both working, and we could not find a day off. Could not. So this $25 was to get in for armbands and for food. So that was $25. So yeah, that was a fun-filled day on Friday. Now let's just do a recap. So at Alyssa's, I used my sinking fund, so that was $72. Lunch and the Amazon dress for a wedding was $36. I had to get gas, and then we had went to the fair for $25. All right, moving on to Saturday on the 2nd. We went grocery shopping. That's the only thing we went grocery shopping, because I usually get gas on Saturday, but since I got it on Friday, we didn't need it. All right, so the only thing we did was go grocery shopping. So we went to Walmart and Sam's, and that was $51. So at Walmart, I spent $13, and then at Sam's, I spent $38. And, you know, I do grocery hauls, so y'all go and check that out. It will be in the playlist. So all we did on Saturday was do groceries, which was $51. All right, flipping it around. So on the 3rd, my student loan was due, so I paid that. And then I went to Fresh Market because I needed to get pancetta for a recipe that y'all will see on Monday. It's a Pioneer Woman recipe also. So I went to Fresh Market, and I used the Out to Eat, which was $20. So I picked up some sushi and let's see what else. Oh, and chicken salad. So that was $20 because Fresh Market is very expensive. And then for groceries, I had to pick up the pancetta. And that was freaking $7, you guys, but it's fine. You could have just used bacon for the recipe that I'm going to show y'all, but that's a little bit fattier. And pancetta is a lot less greasy, so we just picked up that. So on the 3rd, we went to Fresh Market. I did $20 for Out to Eat, and then Fresh Market was $7. All right, moving along to the 4th, I had a no spend because I was working late. So no spend on that. And then the 5th, I was late. I did pay for the light bill, so the 5th was late. Or not late, I was off the 5th. So I went Ibotta shopping, and that was fun. That is in my recent vlog because I'm trying to vlog more. So I spent $9, and I can't get it out. And on Ibotta, I got back $4. So technically I only spent $5, but it's okay. All right, and then layaway, so the sinking fund for Christmas, I put $20 towards layaway. I think I have $70 left, but my brother is halving that with me because one of the gifts is for our stepdad, so that is going to be split up in half, and then we will be done. It's due like December 9th, so I'll have time to pay it off. And then on the 6th, we had a no spend because I stayed over once again. All right, so that is the overview. Now we are going to flip on over to our check-in. So this is October 31st through November the 6th. Now, I'm not going to show you me counting the cash envelopes or anything because since this video is going up super late on a Saturday, on Friday and Saturday I already spent money. So we are going to just go ahead and do our check-in, and that's about it. All right, so for groceries, we spent $51 and we spent $7. So that was $58. We'll do the totals in a minute. I just need to check off everything. All right. So gas, we only spent $20. Fun money, we spent, if you hear something in the background, that's just Jared talking, as always. So for fun money, we spent $9 and $25. So that was $34. Out to eat, we spent $20, which I can already go ahead and do that because that's going to be $0. And then sinking fund, nope, cushion. We forgot about cushion. Let's see. Cushion was only $36. And then sinking fund was $72 and $20, which was $92. All right, so out of 100 for groceries, we have a total of $42. Gas, we should have $40. Fun money, we will have $26. Cushion, we will have $24. And then sinking funds, we will have $810. All right, you guys, so that is it. This is our weekly check-in. So I have pretty much some more money that I can spend, which it will go down for the gas and groceries. But I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know down below if y'all are loving these. And be sure to subscribe. I would love to get to know you guys. I would love to go and check y'all's channel out also. So just leave your link down below or just comment saying, I have a channel. Go check it out, because I will. And I will see you guys later. Hopefully y'all will have a great weekend. And also, roll Tide, because it's the biggest game of the season. Not the Alabama and Auburn game. It is the Alabama and LSU game today. So, yeah, if y'all don't like Alabama or LSU, I'm sorry. Please don't unsubscribe to me. But, yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.